Hi, hello, welcome. This is Amarnath Guruji. Namaste. My full name is Agori Tantrik Amarnath Kalrudranath Kalbhairav Brahmastra Amarnath Guruji. I am here to tell you about the Vashikaran Yantra to get your ex back, to get your ex-husband back, ex-wife back, ex-boyfriend, girlfriend back. This is a spell casting. In India, we call it as Yantra. Yantra means nothing but a machine, an engine, okay? An engine which will drive your ex back to you. I'll give you two samples of this. There are hundreds of thousands of yantras like this, ancient techniques like this in Hinduism. In that, I'm going to give you two samples of them. The first one is Madana Gopala Yantra. Yantra means engine. In that, in the beginning, we have to add a star and an 8 flowers diagram. After that, 3 circles around that. In between the star, we have to write the name of the person and Aim, Claim, Hrim, Bloom, Stream. These are the spells, the most powerful spells in the world. After that, we have to add one mantra, that is also a spell. The spell is like this: Govinda Pundari Kaksha Gopi Jana Manohara Naraloka Mashesham Me Vashamanaya Kamada. After this, we'll add all the alphabets in Sanskrit. After that, Maramala Mantram we are going to add. The Maramala Mantram means it is like this: Om Aim Klim Namaha Kamadevaya Sarvajana Priyaya Sarvajana Sammohanaya Jvala Jvala Prajvala Prajvala Sarvajanasya Mukha Hrudayam Mamavasham Kuru Kuru Swaha. After that, in the corners of the diagram, the yantra, we are going to write claim. That is also the attraction spell which will work in a vast and most powerful nature. With that, we are going to add Yantra Gayatri, Mantra Gayatri, Prana Pratishtha Bijakshar and everything.